Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I'm making some steak using the Sous Vide, my Anova Sous Vide steak water bath method. I got some steak here. This is a rump roast that's been seasoned with some MSG chicken bouillon and black pepper, garlic, and some fresh rosemary. I got that set up for temperature of 129 degrees. I'm gonna dunk that in there and let this bathe in it for about 40 minutes. In it goes. Like that. And I have one more. Sure it's dunked. Okay, and then we're just gonna let it bathe for 40 minutes. Alrighty guys, so this has been sitting in the water bath for a total of 50 minutes total actually, at 129 degrees, and it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and stop that. So yeah, 129 degrees for about 50 minutes total. And this is gonna be medium rare. I'm gonna finish it off by cooking it in my air fryer. But this is what it looks like in there for about 50 minutes in a water bath. Oops. A lot of juice come out of that too, see? That'll be good for some au jus. Au jus sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to finish it off by cooking it in my air fryer. Big pieces, so hopefully the sous vide did its job. Okay, in it goes. Still. Do it for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh. Let's see. Like that. Round it nicely. Let's cut into it. I'll let it rest for about 5 minutes before I cut it, okay? Okay, after it's rested, let's see. Let's cut into it. Ooh. Let's see. Nice and tender and juicy and medium rare. Just the way I like it. Rump roast cooked in a sous vide water bath and then 10 minutes in the air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna try it for you. Mmm. Ooh, juicy. Very yummy. Oops. And voila, guys. This is gonna be my dinner tonight. Some mashed potato, some broccoli florets, some carrots. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.